Intruder alert! Red spies in the base.
A red spy is in the base?
Protect the briefcase!
We need to protect the briefcase!
Yo, a little help here?
Alright, I got it. Stand back, son. One.
Let's go! Hey, it's still here.
Gentlemen? I see the briefcase is safe.
Safe and
Yeah, it
sound.
is.
Yeah.
Tell me, did anyone happen to kill a red spy on the way here? No? Then we still have a problem.
Knife.
Ooh, big problem. I killed plenty of spies. The dime a dozen backstabbing scumbags. Like you.
If you manage to kill them, I assure you they will not like you. And nothing like the man who's inside this building.
What are you, president of his fan club?
No. That would be your mother. Indeed. And now he's here for us. So listen up, boy. But pornography starring your mother will be the second worst thing that happened to you today. Give me that! The spy has already breached our defenses. See, he's done to our colleagues. And worst of all, he could be any one of us. He could be in this very room. He could be you. He could be me. He could even...
Whoa! What? It was obvious. He's a red spy. He could grab any second. See? Red! Who's ready to go find this spy?
Right behind you. Ma petite chou-fleur.